x is equal to square root of 5 divided by square root of x plus 5 divided by square root of x plus 5 divided by square root of x plus 5, and it goes to infinity. So as the first step, we can square this equation in both sides. But before I go there, first of all, if we are looking just this part here, 5 divided by x plus square root of x plus 5 divided by square root of x plus 5 to infinity, we can substitute just this part here by x. And now hold this equation here, because we are squaring both sides. So this radical is going to disappear because it's going to simplify the index 2 with the square 2. And on the left side is going to be x squared is 5 divided by square root of x. So this x here, plus instead of this part that goes to infinity, we can substitute with x and we can write plus x. And here implies x squared is equal with so instead of the division form in this form, we can write 5 in the fraction form divided by square root of 2x, because x plus x is 2x. However, this x squared, now we can write in this form. 5, we can write this radical in the form 2 times square root of x. So we are decomposing this radical. And we are multiplying everything by square root of x, because we want to solve for x and we want x is to put in one side. And if in the right side, this square root of x, if I'm multiplying everything by square root of x, is going to simplify, and what remains here remains just 5 divided by square root of 2. This is what's going to remain. And in this side there is x squared, and here is a times square root of x. But instead of square root of x, here I'm writing with exponent 1 over 2 in fraction form, the square root of x. And because the base is the same, if I'm going to multiply multiply these two expression, so because the base is the same, I write the base and I'm using the properties of the exponents, and 2 plus 1.5 is going to be 5 over 2. And everything here is 5 divided by square root of 2. And now because I have 5 square root of 2, now I am multiplying the fraction exponent by 2 over 5. If I'm multiplying everything by 2 over 5, we can get this form. So just let me get a different color. If we are multiplying everything is x 5 over 2 times 2 over 5. So this is going to simplify everything. And on the other hand, here is going to be 5 divided by square root of 2. And everything is 2 over square root of 5. And now here everything simplifies, and x is equal with, and here in the right side I'm going to distribute square. If I'm distributing square here, is going to be this 5 square is 25. And square root of 2 square is going to be 2, because square is going to simplify with the index 2. But everything here now remains 1 over 5, because I just squared here. I distributed just this 2 here inside. And now if we write this in the radical form, we can write x is equal, so this is denominator, goes here, and everything is 25 divided by 2. So this is a numerical value of the x.